Dear friends, today we will discuss about formwork for concreting. Now, what is formwork? Formwork is a mold in which fresh concrete is placed to get a desired size shape. In this slide, you can see formwork for beam, formwork for column, and formwork for slab. The props here that you see in the formwork for slab, they are known as centering. So formwork is a mold, and to support that formwork, whatever is the temporary structure prepared is known as centering. What is formwork? Formwork is the term used for the process of creating a temporary mold into which concrete is poured and formed. Traditional formwork is fabricated using timber, but it can also be constructed from steel, glass fiber reinforced plastics, and other materials. Formwork is an ancillary construction used as a mold for a structure. Into this mold, fresh concrete is placed only to harden subsequently. The construction of formwork takes time and involves expenditure up to 20 to 25% of the cost of the structure or even more. These are temporary structure required to safely support concrete until it reaches adequate strength. What are the functions of formwork? Form molds the concrete to desired size and shape and control its position and alignment. Formworks also act as a temporary structure that supports its own weight plus the freshly placed concrete plus construction of live loads, that is material and human. Formwork is a classic temporary structure in a sense that it can be erected quickly and it is highly loaded for a few hours during the concrete placement. Within a few days, it is disassembled for further use like any other temporary structure. What are the characteristics of good formwork? Or we can say, what are the requirements of a good formwork? It should be safe and cost effective or economical. High quality, finished concrete surface is of acceptable quality in the correct location. It is able to produce the required shape and surface. It should be strong enough to withstand all types of dead load and live loads. Rigidly constructed and efficiently propped and braced both horizontally and vertically so as to retain its shape. The joints in the formwork should be tight against leakage of cement grout. Construction of formwork should permit removal of various parts in the desired sequences without damage to the concrete. The formwork should be set accurately to the desired line and levels and should have plain surface. The formwork should be as light as possible. Material of the formwork should not warp or get distorted when exposed to the element. Minimum sawing and cutting of wooden pieces should be made to enable reuse of material a number of times. The quantity of surface finish depends on the quality of shuttering. In short, material of the formwork should be cheap, easily available, and should be suitable for reuse. What are the different material used for formwork construction? Timber, plywood, steel, aluminium, and glass reinforced plastic. Out of that, timber shuttering. Let us see timber shuttering. What are the characteristics of timber shuttering? What is the specialty of timber shuttering? Easy handling because of its lightweight, easy to remove. Damaged parts can be replaced with new one. Very flexible, can't be used for long, have limited reuse. It can only be reused 5 or 6 times. If the timber is dry, it will absorb moisture from wet concrete, which could weaken the resultant concrete member. timber with high moisture content, that is more than 20%, wet concrete will shrink and cup, leading to open joints and leakage of grout. Plywood formwork. This is by far the most common material used for facing panel. It is easily cut to shape on site. If handled and stored carefully, it can be used many times. A standard plywood thickness on the site is 18 mm. However, if the formwork is curved, a thinner plywood which can be easily bent can be used. Thicker plywood may be used when the weight of concrete is more. Steel formwork. Steel forms are stronger, durable, and have longer life than timber formwork. Their reuses are more in number. Steel forms can be installed and dismantled with greater ease and speed. The quality of exposed concrete surface by using steel forms is good, and such surfaces need no further treatment. Steel formwork does not absorb moisture from concrete. Steel formwork does not shrink or warp. Aluminum formwork. Often used in prefabricated formwork, aluminum is strong and light. Consequently, fewer supports and ties are required. The lighter sections will deflect more, but this can be avoided by simply following the manufacturer's recommendations. It is costly. Plastic formwork. Glass reinforced plastic GRP and vacuum formed plastics are used when complicated concrete shapes are required. Although vacuum formed plastics will always need support, GRP can be fabricated with integral barriers, making it self supporting. Like steel, plastic formwork can be reused many times as long as care is taken not to scar the surface whilst vibrating the concrete. These are some sketches of formwork in MSBTA examination of concrete technology subject. Often sketches for column, formwork for concrete wall, formwork for slab and beam, formwork for stair. These sketches are asked, so student should do practice of drawing these sketches from examination point of view. Now let us see what is the de-shuttering period as per IS 456. De-shuttering means removal or stripping time. De-shuttering means removal of formwork. It depends upon the span of the beam or slab. So walls, columns, vertical sides of beams, we can remove the vertical sides in 1 to 2 days. Slabs with props left in position, plates removed but props left in position, stripping time is 3 days. Beam soffits with props left in position, slab, removal of props, span up to 4.5 meter, 7 days, span over 4.5 meter, 14 days, beams and arches, removal of props, that is support, span up to 6 meter, 14 days, and span over 6 meter, 21 days. Now these are the questions which are frequently asked in MSBT examination, theory examination of concrete technology subject. What is formwork? What are the functions of formwork? What are the characteristics of good formwork? Or it may be what are the requirements of good formwork? What are the materials for formwork construction? State the advantages of timber formwork, steel formwork, plastic formwork, and aluminum formwork. Draw neat sketch of beam, slab beam formwork and column formwork. Okay, thank you.